Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into the world of Lenovo tablets as we compare two of their latest offerings, the Lenovo Tab P11 and the Lenovo Tab P12. If you're in the market for a new tablet and can't decide between these two, you're in the right place. We'll be looking at everything from design and performance to features and value for money. If you're interested in either of these tablets, check out the links in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's start with the design and build quality. The Lenovo Tab P12 sports a stylish metal body, giving it that premium look and feel. But it's a bit on the heavier side. You might want to use the official case to prop it up and avoid straining your arms. One cool feature is the fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button, although it can be a bit finicky at times. On the flip side, the Lenovo Tab P11 is more portable. It has a sleek gray finish and comes with a fabric-clad detachable keyboard and kickstand. It's easy to carry around. The kickstand attaches via magnets and is adjustable to almost any angle, making it super versatile. Now, let's talk about the displays. The Lenovo Tab P12 boasts a 12.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a sharp 3K resolution of 2944 by 1840. It's great for media consumption, even though it's a bit dim at 400 nits and only has a 60 Hz refresh rate. Accompanying this impressive display are quad JBL speakers with Dolby Atmos, delivering clear and loud sound for an immersive experience. In comparison, the Lenovo Tab P11 features an 11.5-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1200 by 2000. The colors are vibrant and the screen is nice and bright, making it perfect for streaming content. Just like the P12, it has a 60 Hz refresh rate, but it's still great for watching videos and general use. Plus, it has two sets of speakers that provide ample volume and clear sound, making it a solid choice for multimedia use. Performance-wise, the Lenovo Tab P12 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor and 8 GB of RAM. This setup offers competent performance for everyday tasks and light gaming. It comes with 128 GB of storage, expandable via a microSD card slot, which is always a plus. On the other hand, the Lenovo Tab P11 packs a MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. This configuration is adequate for streaming content, browsing the web, and light productivity tasks. However, running more than 6 applications simultaneously can slow down the interface, and demanding games may experience stutters and performance issues. When it comes to cameras, the Lenovo Tab P11 features a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front-facing camera. The rear camera performs decently in well-lit conditions, but struggles in low light. The front camera is adequate for video calls, though its 30 frames per second recording capability can be a bit sluggish. Meanwhile, the Lenovo Tab P12 has an 8MP rear camera and a 13MP ultra-wide front camera. The rear camera is pretty basic, but the front camera is more useful for video calls, offering a wide angle to capture more in the frame. Battery life is another key area. The Lenovo Tab P12 comes with a 10,200 mAh battery, providing around 7 hours and 30 minutes of usage in mixed tasks. Charging is a bit slow with the included 20-watt charger, taking about 2.5 hours to fully charge. It supports up to 30 watts fast charging, but you'll need to buy a compatible charger separately. The Lenovo Tab P11, however, offers impressive battery life, with around 12 hours of video playback on a single charge. It recharges relatively quickly, taking about 2 hours and 47 minutes to go from 10% to a full charge. This makes it suitable for extended use without frequent charging. Both tablets run on different versions of Android. The Lenovo Tab P11 runs on Android 11 and includes productivity-enhancing tweaks like the Productivity Mode, which offers a taskbar and movable app windows. Kid Space provides a safe environment for children, and Entertainment Space curates content from streaming services and YouTube. The Lenovo Tab P12 operates on Android 13, offering a clean and user-friendly interface with thoughtful customizations. The Entertainment Space provides a centralized hub for media consumption, while the productivity-focused UI mimics a desktop-like environment, making it easier to manage multiple apps and tasks. In terms of accessories, the Lenovo Tab P12 comes with a high-quality bundled Tab Pen Plus stylus, offering 4,096 levels of pressure and tilt detection for a natural writing and drawing experience. The Lenovo Tab P11's keyboard attaches via magnetic connectors, ensuring a stable connection without the hassle of Bluetooth pairing or charging. The keyboard is comfortable for quick typing, although the small trackpad can be challenging to use. The Lenovo Pen is responsive for writing and sketching, with quick shortcuts for screenshots, note-taking, and camera access. To sum it up, the Lenovo Tab P12 and Tab P11 cater to different needs. The Tab P12 stands out with its large display and creative focus features, making it ideal for media playback and productivity. However, it lacks in screen brightness and battery life compared to some competitors. The Tab P11 is more portable with a brighter display and better battery life, making it a versatile tablet well-suited for multimedia consumption and light productivity tasks. While it struggles with demanding apps and multitasking, it's a solid choice for those seeking a multimedia tablet with added productivity features, especially for use in a family setting. And this is the comparison between Lenovo Tab P11 and Lenovo Tab P12. If you want more information about these tablets, check out the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.